Believe it or not, with just a few simple kitchen ingredients, you can make a natural fertilizer that keeps your Anthurium green, healthy, and blooming all year long. In today's video, Flower Care Garden is sharing a super simple Anthurium care tip. No chemicals, budget-friendly, and, honestly, the results might surprise you. If you love plants and prefer easy, natural ways to care for them at home, this video is definitely for you. Before moving on to the next care steps, I'm doing a full check of the Anthurium. Looking closely, I can see several dry, discolored leaves and small stems that are wilted and no longer able to grow or absorb nutrients. Leaving these damaged parts can slow healthy growth and create the perfect environment for mold and pests. This is especially common in humid conditions where pests and fungi spread quickly. This may seem like a small step, but it's a crucial one too. Keep your plant healthy and ready for the nutrients ahead. After pruning, I apply a small amount of turmeric powder to the cut areas on the Anthurium. Turmeric has natural antibacterial properties that help the cuts dry faster and prevent fungal infections. This step helps protect the plant from rot, especially in humid conditions. Which country are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple but effective plant care tips. Now I'm using coffee powder, a common ingredient that's surprisingly effective for Anthurium care. I take 1 teaspoon of pure coffee powder and mix it with 1 liter of boiling water. Then I stir well so the coffee fully dissolves and releases its nutrients. Coffee powder is rich in nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals that promote strong roots and improve plant resilience. It also helps loosen the soil and supports beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. As a result, the leaves turn a deeper green and the flowers stay fresh longer. After mixing, I let the solution rest for about 30 minutes until it cools completely before use. The second ingredient I use is rice, a very common food, the one that's packed with nutrients beneficial for Anthuriums. Rice nourishes plants in a gentle, natural way, making it especially suitable for indoor plants. I add 3 tablespoons of rice to a clean jar and pour in 1 liter of boiling water. Then I stir well so the rice fully contacts the water and starts releasing its nutrients. Rice water provides starch, B vitamins, iron, and minerals that support strong roots and improve plant resilience. These nutrients also help deepen leaf color and speed up recovery after care. Finally, I let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, so the nutrients can fully dissolve before use. Once the coffee has steeped long enough, I remove the grounds and use only the nutrient-infused liquid. This step removes excess residue, lowers the risk of root blockage, and reduces the chance of mold forming in the soil. As a result, the solution is clearer, easier to work with, and safer for the plant. Besides Vietnamese, the video is also dubbed in multiple other languages. You can easily change the language in the video settings. Next, I mix in about 1 liter of room temperature water to soften the coffee solution. This dilution allows the plant to absorb nutrients gradually without stress during watering or leaf spraying. This method works especially well for sensitive ornamental plants like Anthuriums. In the end, we get a gentle, all-natural, nutrient solution that's easy for plants to absorb. Step 1. I dip a clean cotton pad into the diluted coffee solution and gently wipe the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is not just basic cleaning, it works like a gentle skincare step for the plant's leaves. The coffee solution helps remove dust, bacteria, and tiny insects from the leaf surface. As a result, the leaves can breathe better, and photosynthesis works more efficiently. Coffee contains antioxidants, amino acids, and small amounts of caffeine, potassium, and nitrogen that can gently absorb through the leaf surface. These nutrients make the leaves shinier, deeper, green, and strengthen the plant's natural resistance. In addition, natural compounds in coffee help reduce mild pests like aphids and leaf mold. Regularly wiping leaves with the coffee solution keeps the plant clean, healthy, and visibly brighter. This helps your Anthurium stand out and adds more beauty to your living space. Step 2. I use the coffee nutrient solution as a spray so it can spread evenly throughout the Anthurium. After wiping the leaves, I pour the remaining coffee solution into a spray bottle and mist the leaves, stems, and roots. This allows the plant to absorb nutrients more completely, not only through the roots, but also through the leaves. Spraying the coffee solution provides trace elements directly and helps the plant grow in a more balanced way. Coffee contains potassium, nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants that support overall plant vitality. Mild acids and organic compounds in coffee also help slow down bacteria and mold on the leaf surface. This helps lower the risk of issues like leaf spots, leaf rot, or mealybugs. Even spraying distributes nutrients to many parts of the plant, especially new shoots and growing tips. This encourages new leaf growth and keeps the plant looking fresh and vibrant. With this method, the Anthurium is nourished internally while also being enhanced on the outside. After soaking, the rice water releases starch, B vitamins, and gentle minerals. I gently stir the mixture so the nutrients fully dissolve, then strain out all the rice grains and keep only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. Next, I mix this rice water with the prepared coffee solution. Combining these two natural ingredients creates a highly effective biofertilizer. This mixture is chemical-free, plant-safe, and packed with nutrients that are easy to absorb. Step 3. After mixing the coffee solution with rice water, I pour it directly onto the entire growing medium of the red Anthurium. This watering method ensures the roots receive nutrients evenly and effectively. Rice water is rich in starch and B vitamins, while coffee provides potassium and nitrogen essential for root growth. Together, they help roots grow stronger, absorb water better, and take in nutrients more efficiently. With regular use, this mixture also loosens the soil, increases organic matter, and balances beneficial microorganisms. As a result, the plant grows steadily, with lower risk of root disease and more sustainable development. When the roots are healthy, the plant produces deeper green leaves and blooms more consistently. Next, I soak the red Anthurium in the coffee and rice water mixture for about 10 minutes to boost nutrient absorption. After soaking the plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently take it out and get it ready for the next care step. Step 4. I wipe off any remaining water on the leaves to protect them and prevent disease. I use a clean, soft, absorbent cloth to gently wipe the leaf surfaces. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from sitting in leaf joints, especially in humid conditions. This greatly reduces the risk of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot. Dry leaves allow better photosynthesis and improve the plant's natural respiration. It also prevents water stains and white spots left behind after evaporation. After wiping, I place the plant in indirect light, with gentle airflow so the leaves can dry naturally. This care routine helps keep the plant fresh, healthy, and looking great over time. With simple ingredients like coffee powder and rice, you can care for your plants naturally at home. No chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques are needed, just a bit of time and care. Your plant will reward you with green leaves, beautiful blooms, and long-lasting vitality. Anthuriums are not only beautiful but also a symbol of strength and good luck. Thank you for spending your time with me in today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so I can keep sharing more natural plant care tips. See you in the next video.